Hello guys, good evening and welcome back to my YouTube channel Tech with Sachin Pal. I am Sachin Pal and I hope you all are doing well and I am also doing well. And thank you so much for being with me on this journey. As you all are well known, like I have taken a 100-day challenge for myself and where I am going to create a video blog in spoken English on daily basis till 100 day. And today is the 33 day of that particular challenge, and today I am going to reveal the secret behind I am able to sounds like a fluent speaker in spoken English. So I didn't join any institute for spoken English, and I am also not paid any single money to anyone in order to learn spoken English. But one thing is very important. I am chosen some environment, virtual environment, where I'm able to practice spoken English on daily basis without paying any single money. And I consistently follow that virtual environment, and I practice each and every day on that application which name is PeerUp. And today I'm able to speak anything, or if I want to express my knowledge in the front of someone in English, then that is not a big thing for me. I'm able to explain whole situation easily, and you can see I'm field side because here I'm feeling more motivated and energetic. And today also I'm here to give something to you all who really want to improve their spoken English. So yeah, if you all also want to master spoken English, or if you are also want to become fluent speaker in spoken English, then you must need to give, or you must need to be dedicated towards it. And you no need to pay single money. Nowadays everyone is able to have a smartphone. It is not a big thing. You only need to choose some environment, and also you need to spend at least 1 hour in a day in order to gain confidence in spoken English. And after some certain amount of time, you are also able to notice a drastical improvement in your spoken English. And one more thing I want to suggest to you all, like if you decided like I'm going to master spoken English, and you started working on it for, and you started learning English for like 3 hour 4 hour in a day. So after 3 or 4 days you are going to lose your motivation of learning spoken English. So do not take it as in this way. You need to learn spoken English in starting for less time, and you need to do some interesting activities, like there is some games or some application like Duolingo, where we are able to learn English by playing game. And if you are going for Czech, so there are so many applications where you are able to learn spoken English by playing games. But I am not that much into these kind of activity, so I'm not aware about these kind of things. So many application where we are able to learn English while playing games. But yeah, I know about PeerUp application, and I use PeerUp application in order to gain confidence in spoken English. And you are also able to see what are the improvement I'm having, and I'm continuous into learning spoken English. I didn't take a break, and yeah, definitely I'm going to master it. And everyone is a learner. No one is perfect in this world. Do not worry. No need to be worried about the if I'm going to do some mistake. Then what the people in our surrounding and going to think. So yeah, no need to be worried about the people's opinion or behavior. They are they are present here to do their work. You need to do your work, and no need to be worried about the people's and their opinion. Just do your work, and one day you are able to rise like a sun. If you are willing to rise like a sun, then you must need to burn like a sun. Without burning, you are not able to rise. There is a famous quote which is said by our president Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. If you want to shine like a sun, then you must need to burn like a sun. Without burning, you are not able to shine. Sun is able to shine because it's burning. So yeah, if you are able to learn something from this blog, then please hit like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also share with someone who really need it. Goodbye, take care, have a great day ahead. Thank you so much for being with me on this journey.